Hi my student, you are welcome back to the class of mathematics, but today we have home challenge concerning with the topic of algebra. Okay, if it is the first time for you to watch my videos, please click subscribe button below this video. Okay, let us start. Asha and Monica can do the certain job in 9 hours. Monica and Kenju can do the same job in 6 hours, and Asha and Kenju can do that job within 3 hours. Okay, how long will it take if they are working together? Okay, for this question here, you have to understand at the first time here, we have Asha and Monica. They are doing this job within 9 hours. So what does it mean? We have something like this one. Asha and end means plus, and Monica. They are doing this job within 9 hours. Okay, after there, what next? Then Monica and Kenju. They are doing this job within 6 hours. Then Monica and Kenju. So Monica and Kenju. They are doing this job within 6 hours. So take 6 hours. Then after there, we have another one. Asha and Kenju. They are doing this job within what? 3 hours. So then Asha and Kenju. These guys, they take 3 hours. Okay, so how long will it take if Asha and Monica and Kenju, they're doing this job together? So how long will it take? Okay, for this one will be solved like as follows. We're supposed to take this one plus this one plus this one, then will be equals to this one. So when you take the time for Asha plus Monica, then plus time for this one, Monica plus Kenju, plus time for Asha and Kenju, Asha and Kenju. This one will be equals to 9 plus 6 plus 3. 9 plus 6 plus 3. Very simple like that. Okay, as usual, you have to open the bracket here. Now will be like as follows. So here we'll find A plus M, then plus M, then plus K, then plus A, then plus K. This one equals to 9 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, collect like term. This one is the same as this one, so you have to collect it. You'll find equals to A plus A, you get 2A. This is M plus M, I'll find positive 2M. This is K plus K, I'll find positive 2K, which is equal to this one. Sum up will be equals to 9. This one we get 15 plus this one we get 18, equals to 18. Okay, what next from there? You can factor out 2. So factor out 2 outside the bracket. Here we're left with A plus M plus K, which is equal to 18. So in order to find the value of A plus M plus K, we're supposed to divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here. Then from there, I'll find A plus M plus K will be equals to this one. When we divide this one by this one, we'll find equals to 9. So at the end of the day, this A plus M plus K, that means the time taken by this A plus this one M plus this one K, means Asha plus Monica plus K will be equals to 9. So time taken for Asha, Monica and Kenju to do that work will be 9 hours. Very simple like that one. So it takes 9 hours for these 3 guys to complete that job together. Okay, my friend, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Okay, thank you.